Introduction to Indoor and Outdoor Accessibility. Hello everyone! We hope that you were able to examine some important issues related to venue accessibility in the previous part. In this part, we give you a general introduction to the indoor and outdoor accessibility of a cultural event. Basically, an accessible event needs an accessible environment. However, depending on the person you ask, accessibility of a venue is either just comfort or a crucial requirement for participation in everyday life. The slogan, "Good design enables, bad design disables," of the EIDD Design for All Europe network holds also true for venue accessibility. This means that we have to create an accessible environment from the start, without later improvements. The diverse needs of people and accessibility of the built environment are at the core of this so-called universal design, or design for all. However, it is not always easy to implement the universal design principles, either based on the building's location, its age, or type of auditorium. Therefore, there are three location types that require a different approach to venue accessibility. First, newly built permanent venues should be accessible from scratch. For example, a new concert hall that is going to be erected should already be designed in an accessible way. Second, an already existing venue, for example an opera house that was erected years ago, might not meet state-of-the-art accessibility requirements and might have to cater for alternative solutions. However, it should be as accessible as possible. Third, a temporary venue is a location that is not used for scenic arts due to its primary purpose. For example, market squares or fields where a festival takes place. Making these venues fully accessible is hardly applicable, but everyone should be able to attend the major performances and activities. These three venue types require different approaches, but they should have four principles in common. They should be easy to reach, access, use, and understand. You can find out what these elements actually mean by watching the next video.